fly. I know somebody that you can choose. What about me? About me. What about you together in a people warrior? What about me? What about me? What about me? Don't you worry, night.
Walang kulay ng kamo. Ito na nga lang kung pala yung magsisipin natin edit party. Alam niyo naman yung matanggal-tanggal nga talaga yung mga binibigyan ng ating budget. Hindi naman ako ay nagbili naman niya ako yung pinapakaliit na kasirola para nga talaga itong ay ating steam. Habang hindi steam, ito pala yung kulay na pakwenta para sa mga tayo dito ng mga kailangan natin ingredients or kailangan niya isang cup para sa ating salad. Tatutut pa nga lang ako ng sibuyas pero itong mata ko ay sobrang sakit na nga talaga. Ewan ko ba dito sa mata ko, napaka-sensitive na masyado. Kala wala nang pinaganda. Ay hindi. Wala na. Nahihirapan pa naman alam niyo na. May nakatalaga natin yung ating salad na pa-converse.
Mano, umiilang. Nilak yun.
Has a different set of parang operatives sila yun. And that is I'm not very familiar.
Hindi kasi marunong saan yung pinamamahal mismo. The pigeon is flying, and this is the training. The pigeon is swimming, and this is the training. Ay, up. Ay, up. In the ball, in the flow, in the point, in the spoon, in the pen, in the ball. In the pen, in the Where's this guy at, bro? Yeah.
Na ang nagiging kawawa ay mga ordinaryong opisyal ng gobyerno dahil alam natin sa ganitong sitwasyon position sa ay actually swallow the fact that officials sa employees ang nagagawa I manifest that both OVP and DEPA funds are really controlled by the chief. In the end, it's controlled by only one. So they have the same confidential program. Wouldn't a group be confused if the programs were different? The OVP and DEPA have different mandates. So yun ang po, Mr. Chairman. Isang tanong lang po. Si Kevin Velasco is under training na Chica. Is there assistant series? Kevin Velasco is used to be the deputy commander. But he's under current Chica. That's all, Mr. Chairman. Thank you. Mr. Chairman. Congressman. Right na how kompleto yung liquidation report because of the existence of acknowledgement. Okay. Tama po kayo.
May sisigla. Kung ikaw ay masaya. Tatanungin natin si Teo. Teo,
The next question is, did you
ano
get
nangyari nun?
a attachment to your day-to-day?
Don't you worry, don't you worry. I'm somebody that you want to.
That presented in today's hearing, in the previous hearing,
Paparinig ka pa. Patay. 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 Bagal. Isay.
You are going to go. Oh, no, 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 no. Somebody that you want to.
it was prepared by
Andun ka! Man. Don't you conclude that I know me. I mean, that on face. He let us down for life. Okay. Kung may tamat, kung malasko, siniyami ko maturig ko, hindi ko maturig.
and the
Sinto,
part
nagseso nila ng daw. Ang hikulos, sinus ko, kukulat ko nagseso. Yuan, kung naman,
Ay. Lagi, di ba? Ikaw. Saan sa net 25? 25 ka ng baka. Kita mo kung gaano katalino yung mga aspect.
Don't tell him lies where he's hiding so I can see him.